Welcome everybody to another video of XRP. Welcome to the Cryptoforex market. Well, what do we see? As I was going on from last week, I told you that XRP most likely could break out, and this is what's happened. It's actually broken out. So as we could see here, from the 30th of January, or really from the 29th of January, it done a false breakout to the top and closed at 28 cents. Then on the 30th of January, it is literally gone bullish. It's gone straight up to hit around 40, nearly 50 cents. Yeah, so I'm expecting XRP to actually at least get to $1 before long, getting to $30 at some point. But however, as this breakout has occurred perfectly, as I've perfectly analyzed last week, gets me really excited to see that as we've ended on, we come to the end of this month, hit February, we're gonna likely see some big moves on XRP. So if I zoom out to the weekly, let's see what levels we could be looking at. Yeah, so those of you that well, my last video, I was telling you that I will definitely be holding on to my XRP to see a breakout, and those of you that are patient and still bought into XRP, then you guys must be smiling right now, because I'm smiling myself. So yeah, so we're back up to previous levels of 50 cent right now. So if we get a nice closure today, well, on the weekly, on the daily candle, if we get a closure around the 50 cents, then that's all good. But even so, possibly we could see price, if not breaking higher yet, we could probably see a move like this, probably back down to 30, and then straight up to hit past that level here, which is the 70 cent mark to the dollar. And most likely from the dollar, we could probably see a move like this, probably something like that. So literally we could probably see a zigzag move looking like this. This is what I could potentially see happening, to be honest, until we break up to the upside. But yeah, you guys are probably wondering, why has that happened? I'm going to read you some news in a sec. I just want to see, potentially we saw Bitcoin actually going up as well, but I'll go into the Bitcoin chart in a minute. I'm just focused on XRP right now because it's actually broken out of my trending triangle here. As we saw previously, we touched on this level and then we broke out from that level here perfectly. Perfect breakout. So if I get my fibs, I want to see, which would be interesting, what level this is right around here, where it retraced to. So if I take my fib from here, pull up to the highest high here, let's just see what we're looking at here. Okay, let's just do a bit of adjustment here to this 100% level here. Yeah, potentially we could see a little retrace and then going up a lot more to the dollar mark. But looking at XRP previously, where it previously went, you could see that it went to $2 quite some time ago, which was back in 2018, and we could see literally it's broken on the weekly. It's broken past my 50 EMA, and any time price usually goes above the 50 EMA and keeps above it, potentially price is going to continue going up. So yeah, guys, if we hold on to this and this continues to pump up, then literally we could looking at definitely this week the dollar mark then $2, and once it hits past that level and it keeps on this level, breaks this previous high, which is here, breaks this previous high, then we're going to test around this level, the $2 mark, and potentially going up further to $30 and even more. Yeah, so once it breaks past this level, the $2 mark, then sky's the limits. Then you're definitely heading to $30 plus quite easily. However, we just got to get past this resistant level here. So as I zoomed out, I'm going to draw some possible moves of XRP. Most likely could see these kind of moves before breaking up and going to the upside. So literally I always buy on the dip. So like if I was to go in again, I'll literally buy at the lows. These will be my buys here. That would be the sensible option. Some people literally, like if you're not a trader, people just see this and just go in and buy at these levels here when they don't even know what they're doing. But you know, you're getting value from my channel, because literally I'm a trader and I'm literally know where to buy from. Yeah, this is really looking good, guys. So again, please comment, please subscribe, those of you that may be new right now, because I'm going to give you a lot of value to any investment that you plan to invest within the crypto market. But yeah, let me go to Bitcoin. I'll show you what's going on with Bitcoin as well, because we've had a blast with Bitcoin as well. Well, a bit of a blast. On a weekly, we could see a spike to the upside to around 38,000. But if we zoom down to the daily, to be honest, I could see, yes, I could see a spike up, but anyhow we get below this level for Bitcoin, below my 50 EMA, which you could see here, then literally I could see us going straight down, to be honest, down to here, around this level. But it hasn't broken my 50 EMA yet. It's actually got a support level that is made around 29,000, and it's above it. For now, it's a possibility Bitcoin could go up, but anyhow, if I just see it not passing around this area, then there's a possibility, a great possibility for Bitcoin to drop lower before heading back up. Definitely a great possibility on that. But yeah, there's a lot of hype going on with crypto this week. But I'm going to read you something that I saw, and because I woke up, saw this morning, and yeah, can't believe it just came up on my phone. This news came up and I thought, yeah, that's it, I knew it. So like, let me just read you some stuff, what's going on in the markets right now. I'm going to coin market cap and we could see the top performers at the moment. We got Wall Street bets, they're at 483. Bitcoin is second in place, 38,000. However, that's number one. We got Ethereum, Tether, and XRP still. It's at 47 cents at the moment, roundabout. And yeah, as you could see here, the last 7 days, XRP has just been going up. It's been doing really well, really well. With Bitcoin, as you could see, it's kind of like consolidating. It isn't as strong, in my opinion, as XRP is at the moment. And for the value that you're getting, if you're buying at a low price, which is key to do, is going to continue to go up. So you got Padlock as well. So to be honest, if you are the kind of person to buy and you want to buy in a crypto, then put a bit for each, and no doubt, you know, one of them's going to take off anyway, at least. Okay, so yeah, it says here on Forbes News, it says after a massive Dogecoin crash, Ripple's XRP has suddenly rocketed. higher in Wall Street bets price surge. Yeah, so that's dated the 31st of January 2021. Ripple's XRP, currently the world's fourth largest cryptocurrency as measured by coin market cap, has suddenly leaped higher in a surge powered by Wall Street's traders. XRP, a digital token created by the Emerald Battle San Francisco-based company Ripple, has added more than 50% to its price over the last 24 hours, climbing after Dogecoin, a tongue-in-cheek joke Bitcoin rival named by Elon Musk as his favorite cryptocurrency. Let me just tap on that. Let's see what happened with Elon. What did he do? What's going on here? Elon Musk sparks wild speculation Tesla could buy Bitcoin. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk has sparked speculation his electric car company could add Bitcoin to its balance sheet during a public exchange on Twitter. So that's what's done it. Musk, the billionaire serial entrepreneur who's ridden Tesla's soaring share price towards the top of global rich lists this year, asked whether it was possible to convert billions of Tesla's dollars to Bitcoin. So you could see Bitcoin already has got a lot of interest at the moment, and simply because of Elon Musk, he's bought in, and that's what's happened. It's literally surged the cryptocurrency market. Yeah, so that's what's happened here. So I've just touched on that. I'm going to touch on something else that I've seen. Elon Musk jolts Bitcoin with his Twitter bio. So that's another thing. Some news there. Bitcoin is off the races again. Thank Tesla CEO Elon. So it's Elon that's doing this. Bitcoin's price popped 18% to 37,900 since 8:30 Friday morning, the time that marked the start of a aggressive move upward after trending largely flat for a few days. The cryptocurrency is still trading below its all-time high of just over 40,000 set on January the 8th. Yeah, so what could I say? What could I say? News is coming. For XRP and Bitcoin, XRP price prediction: Ripple on the brink of 40% upsurge, targeting 38 cents. Sorry, Ripple spikes above the 50 SMA and 200 SMA resistance, adding credence to the bullish outlook. Immediate support at the 50 SMA and 200 SMA must be guarded to avoid losses towards 25p. Ripple is among the cryptocurrencies that are likely to have benefited from the Dogecoin's rally. As you could clearly see, they've benefited from that rally here. So if we go back to XRP, you could see, look at that strong rally. The least resistance path is currently on the upside as the bulls fight to sustain the uptrend. As you could see there, look at that. If I go down to the 4 hour, yeah, so we might get a little drop here before continuing up. So it goes on to say, Ripple begins a much awaited technical breakout. XRP recovered majestically from the SEC triggered free fall in December and hit a 2021 high at 37. See, it's recovered. Told you. I told you they'll get through. So it's all that hope that I had in my technical analysis as well, to see that, yeah, it's not over for XRP at all. The barrier marked the end of the rally for the cross-border token, leading to consolidation period as it was consolidating around this area here. This is what you call consolidation. So when you see a market like this, it's deciding what to do. And during this period of time, if you look back, if I go back to December here, this is when we start to see the market kind of weaken a little bit and then considered to be in consolidation, which you call this. So this area here, yeah, that's consolidation here. So from December, which is once the SEC news, XRP, the court issues, that's when we didn't see the spike from here. We then saw consolidation. Now we've got that breakout, which is broken 35 easy. So I guess it's gonna, if it's gonna go down, to be honest, my technical analysis is broken above the 50 EMA, which is a green line here, and the 200 EMA is gonna test on this level here. So if I just finish this reading, the barrier marked the end of the rally for the cross-border token leading to the consolidation period. As discussed before, a symmetrical triangle formed on the 4-hour chart suggests that Ripple is on the verge of a massive move. That's what I say. Ripple is on the verge. So right here. See the triangle that I actually drew out, and it said the same thing. It's absolutely correct on what I saw, and the news is saying the same thing. So I'm gonna literally leave this information right here, and that's what I done. And so I did, so it happened. So it's either was gonna drop to the downside, which I knew that possibly is gonna be very difficult for that to drop down where it is now on that symmetrical triangle. But I actually broke out. As you can see, my EMA is pointing upwards, and that means that price is literally bullish. My 50 EMA is crossed over the 200, so yeah, so that's ready to rock and roll up. In the past, you could see when my 50 EMA crossed the 200 down, price literally dropped down. See the difference? That's why I use the EMAs. The EMAs are very good to use. Those are the two most powerful EMAs that I use for my trading. Yeah, so I'm going to save that. So yeah, that's the news today that we've got. And any of you guys that want to subscribe, as you could see, my content is real, to the point. Yeah, please subscribe, because it seems like Ripple hasn't finished yet. And literally, if you bought in down here, I know one of my friends, actually I told him to buy in around this level, the 20 mark, he would most likely have doubled his money by now. To be honest, he would have doubled it. Yeah, he would have doubled it by now, because he bought in at this level here. And yeah, loads of people have come to me and said that, you know what I mean, how I'm doing my videos is really good. I'd really go into it in depth, telling you how and why and where to go, so I could give you that value that you need. Yeah, so let's see what happens this week. This week we could be seeing some big moves for Ripple in the price action. And yeah, I won't be surprised if Bitcoin, yeah, moved up slightly, but not as much as Ripple. I could see Ripple is still at a low price, so there's a lot more room for Ripple to grow. But yeah, I'm really excited. So please subscribe to my channel to get more news, more information about Ripple. This year, 2021, as I said before in my previous video, is the year for altcoins to actually go to the moon. So yeah, so I'm looking at this month to close pretty bullish. So I've gone out to the monthly view. Yeah, I'm looking for this month to close bullish, and possibly some retracements to around probably the 30 mark before continuing up. But yeah, definitely it's a patient game when you're a trader. And you know, if you're in for the long haul, for the long-term investment, then definitely this is the way to do it. Just be patient and the results will come. As you could see on the monthly level, it's literally held this support around the 20 mark here. It's held very strongly. We've had no breakout to the bottom. We're coming at the end of the month now. We're literally at the end of the month. We're on the 31st of January today. We get a strong closure like this, then yeah, so it's then game time. So thank you everyone that has come to see this channel now, because you're definitely going to get value. And those of you that literally, you know, watched my channel before and signed up, subscribed, I'm sure you got your value out of it, and we're going to continue going strong. Yeah, definitely continue going strong. But yeah, so yeah, I'm actually on Instagram as well now. So please come to my Instagram page, Cryptoforex Market. Yeah, where I'll give you some additional information and, you know, some motivation as well. As you can see some of my pictures in the past, you know, what I've done, where I've been. You could see what's going down with the Instagram page. I'm also on Twitter as well, so you could visit sometimes. Yeah, I'll be posting out some stuff as well. That's my last post about making real passive income, bull market or bear market. Those of you that saw my last video about Qubittech that I joined, which is really doing well, and they actually do crypto. So literally you could buy or sell crypto, and that literally they'll manage it for you. So whether it's a bear market, bull market, you're literally making money all the way. And yeah, so coin market cap, those are the sites to actually look at when you're looking for news. And there's another site that I use as well called CoinDesk. Here we got some news on CoinDesk, and you could see literally on XRP, you could see how it's been climbing as well. Since the 31st of January until now, you could see that strong climb. So yeah, Ripple's, otherwise known as XRP, is about to do some big things very, very soon. But yeah, so yeah, as you could see, you know, people like Elon Musk, and he's a billionaire, and other people as well that are interested in his XRP is only going to support it. And when they support it, they see something in it, and it's just going to make things go a lot more higher in terms of buying the crypto. And not before long, don't be surprised, as I said before, crypto to take over. With all this coronavirus thing happening at the moment, no one wants to touch cash at the moment, and so people are interested in currencies literally going to make you something. So that's why we see a surge in the crypto market right now, because it's a currency that has a lot of future in it. Yeah, you could go on to read that. If you just go to Forbes.com, you could see the information about that. Elon Musk as well is on Market Watch as well. If you go to Market Watch, you could see news about that. And there's another good site that I use as well called FX Street, and that also talks about the crypto market as well. So Ripple begins the much awaited technical breakout. XRP recovered majestically from the SEC triggered freefall in December and hit 2021 with high of 37, and it's literally higher than 37 as we speak right now, as you saw. So literally, yeah. If you wanna, you know, buy into this, then there's a couple of places where you could buy in. You could literally buy in at eToro. They literally have all the different ripples and currencies there. They got cryptocurrencies, so you could actually buy in at XRP there if you want. Yeah, they're backed by the FSA. So yeah, money is gonna be good. Don't worry. But yeah, so thank you very much for coming to my show. I'm quite excited about Ripple. Ripple's one of my main focus cryptocurrencies at the moment. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the show, and I'll see you on the next. So yeah, the next show, hopefully by then we'll probably see XRP going a lot higher. If not, it'll probably stay around this level before breaking out at some point. But yeah, just be patient, and it will pay off for you. So thank you very much for joining my show. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on the next side. Cheers. Bye.